What up mga kek? My name is Nunoy Vlogs and this is Nunoy Vlogs. Currently nandito kami sa may Galilee sa Bustos, Bulacan. Ito yung picture niya, yan. Raw vlog lang to, no? Parang hindi ko masyadong i-edit, puro ano lang, cinematics lang. And medyo maikli lang tong vlog na to. Ano siya, from Plaridel Crossing to Bustos, Bulacan, parang mga 20 minutes na travel lang kung magsasasakyan. Kasi wala mga jeep dito na papunta. Kung tinatanong nyo bakit ako nakaganto, kasi mainit dito sobra. Kung makikita nyo naman, sobrang init nga, kaya nakaganto tayo para hindi tayo umitip. Ano ka dumating man? 11 kami dumating, no? Ang hintayan namin is 8:30, napakalupit, no? 8:30 kaming naghintay doon. Sinundo na lang kami ng sasakyan. Then travel kami dito mga 20 minutes or 15 minutes lang. Nandito na agad kami, no? Sabi ko, andito kasama ko ngayon si Sed. Gagala-gala kami ngayon. Kuha kami ngayon ng mga pang montage, no? So yung nga natin, simulan na natin yung mga cinematic shot natin. Let's go! Dami namin ginawa kanina. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog kanina kasi sobrang daming. Basa ulit, wait lang. Yeah. Basara ang putik. Time check pala tayo ngayon, mga nasa 1:34 ng tanghali. Kita nyo naman, sobrang init. Pasunog ng mga kaibigan. Siguro sure ako nito makikita nyo yung mga mga kuha nung action cam, sobrang puro kabaliwan lang. Mga lang kami, nagsaslide. Punta kami sa may wave. Ito malaki naman siya. Siguro mga 50 hectares naman siya. 50 hectares yung laki.
All the people around our way chat about the same things every day. And you know I don't want none of the beat father. I don't care what they say. They chat about diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. And they be telling me again. They chat about diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Black, white, ice, gold, diamonds. Bowler, taxi cab, dressed in my suit and my bowler hat. It's one of those nights where you mind the gap. Don't step on my shoes or I might react. Yeah, moccasins bright white and black. Silk suit, shirt tight, tailored for scratch. And a new fur coat, I never take off the tag. Cause if I take off the tags, I'm never taking it back. You underneath my swagger got a tribal tap. I'm moonwalking like I'm Michael Jackson. Sport you and your crew with the designer bags. So rearrange the dates in the file of facts. Oh, cinema trip back to my pad. If I give you a quick kiss, will you bite back? Your cinnamon lipstick, I like that. Whoa, shit, I got the same chat. People around our way chat about the same things every day. And you know I don't want none of the beat father. I don't care what they say. They chat about diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. And they be telling me again. They chat about diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Black, white, ice, gold, diamonds.
Mamaya matatapos na. End ko na agad ng vlog na to dahil di ko naman nasimulan ng maaga. Kaya okay lang naman yun. Saglit lang naman tayo dito. Mga 7 PM out na rin natin. And yan nga mga kek, papasa na natin kay Future Nunoy. Future Nunoy, pasok! So yun nga mga kek, Future Nunoy here. Yung vlog na yung pinakita pala natin ngayon is 18th birthday ng isa sa mga kaibigan natin. And for the next vlog, syempre, tingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta. So, balik na tayo ulit. Let's go! Bye!
Man, I swear last summer was like a dream. Feels like last summer was like a dream. And I'm trying to figure out, I'm just trying to figure out what it means. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what it means. It's such a tragedy to stay inside on peaceful summer days, but I got nobody calling me, I stay behind the shades. I was thinking about the days, how they weren't even a thing. Wasting hours watching ceilings, clouds passing through the shades. As I wonder why I never said the words I had to say, as I watch the summer slowly fade away with autumn's day. Pink and white and blue and green and warmth that makes me tired. Bright eyes from quiet stares, moments to admire. Now the haze is in my memory, just places that I used to be. I wish I could return, but know that I could never stay. No, I can't call it a home, it's just a stop along the way. And I don't know where I'm going, but it seems I'll be okay. Last summer was like a dream, feels like last summer was like a dream. And I'm trying to figure out, I'm just trying to figure out what it means. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what it means. Rain don't fall like it used to, the sun gets hotter every year. The people that I know slowly moving away, they're moving towards everything that I have feared. Autumn fades back into the winter, the winter fades back into the spring. When the summer comes around, it will go around again. It will all be just like a dream. Summer is like a dream.
So yun nga mga kek, we're here at Batangas City. Vlog number 8 para sa vlog number 8 natin. Nandito tayo ngayon para mag-beach ulit, di ba? Currently, nandito na tayo ngayon. And kasama natin ulit si Baby Rich. Hi, Baby Rich. Dabungan. Yan na yun sila. Kuya Chad, Kuya Rel, and yan. At si Ate Nori. Yun, so basically, katuloy to nung mga napakita nating clip. Meron tayong action cam para sa underwater. So, magagamit natin ngayon lalo ngayon kasi nga nasa beach na tayo, diba? Nakakuha na rin kami na pag-check-in nandito. Okay rin naman yung price. Halos kaparehas lang naman. Kaya,
Ayoko na doon, kuya.
bakit?
Init.
Ako, vlog lang eh.
Oo
Sakto lang, parehas lang yung price nung nag-baler kami. Meron na ding lutuan rep. Actually, mas maganda nga siguro yung dito. And hey guys, nandito na nga tayo sa may room natin. Hindi na natin siya i-montage. Anong isip ko? Kasi masyadong yung mga haba na. Mamaya pag-usapan na lang natin. Sa ngayon, mag-ibihis muna tayo. Ibihis tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And boom! Yan! Gan! Nakapag-bihis na tayo. Look at our motherfucker. Yeah! Parang hindi mag-swimming eh. Shoutout to chinelas ng mama ko. And yun nga guys, disclaimer na rin no. Mga clips, syempre mga ibang clips natin medyo malalabo dahil nga magkaibang resolution, magkaibang camera yung gagamitin natin. Kung makikita nyo rin, siguro mamaya puro montage na lang rin tayo. Mga astig na biro-biro. Mga ganun tayo. Astig-astig na montage tayo. Mamaya pupunta na tayo dun sa beach. Papakita natin gaano kaganda yun. Yun, tungkol naman sa travel namin. Travel lang namin is almost 3 hours. 3 hours lang ang travel namin. Then, wala kami stopover kasi from Quezon City lang naman to Batangas dito. Laia, Quezon City. So, medyo malapit lang. Especially, di ba, kahit south. Hindi naman traffic kasi nga madaling araw kami, mga 3 o'clock. Yan. Siyempre, kapag nasa Batangas ka, hindi mawawala yung mga lomi astigi natin, mga masasarap na lomi. Tulad na taga dyan na lomi. Kanina lang kumain kami ng lomi. Hindi naman sobrang sarap, pero okay na din. Affordable, mga 60 pesos lang, okay na. Madami na ring laman and marami na ring food. So ngayon, update lang kung kayo sa ginagawa namin. Yung yan eh, yung na lang. Pay pa lang, hindi pa nag-aayos. Luto. Swimming ka na, Rich? ayan, yun nga guys. Dito na tayo ngayon. Let's go for montage. Let's go!
And
If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, like oh, sugar. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So yun nga guys, pinakuha pa sa akin yung ano ko eh. Vlogger ka na din, sabi ko. Mongoloid. Teka lang, kuhanin muna natin yung mga gadget natin para mamaya okay na. So guys, nandito na tayo. Set up na natin yung action camera natin. Yun lang. So guys, let's go!
Hello, hello again, sugar. Hello, baby girl, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, like oh, sugar. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar. Hello, baby girl, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, like oh, sugar. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Babato ko yung camera. Yun nga guys, we're done on swimming shit. First swimming pa lang yun. And 10 o'clock pa lang na umaga. So, wala pa kaming tulong. Simula kaninang madaling araw. Actually, kahapon. Wala pa kaming tulong. So, matulog muna kami. Bye! Hey guys, kaagising lang natin.
yung meron at tayong di nagugutom.
Ayun nga, kakagising lang natin. Mamaya, mag-ano muna tayo. Kakapahinga. Kakain. Kain tayo muna. Tapos, tambay mamaya. Pag gusto mo magnilay-nilay or mag-adventure ng medyo mild lang. From Quezon City, hindi ka naman masyadong mapapagod mag-drive kung may driver, or kung mag-commute ka, okay lang din. Hindi naman masyadong matagal yung biyahe. Unless kung traffic, di ba? Kailangan talaga madaling araw kayo pupunta. And pakita lang natin yung nice view ng nakikita ko ngayon. Ito nakikita niyo. Nakaka-calm yung view. And syempre, mga gantong moment dapat hindi pinapalampas. Ayun yung nga guys, nandito na tayo sa ulit. Kaya pa wala sila Kuya Rel. Tsaka si Yan, namumulot pala ang puta, nagala-gala sila. Tingnan mo yung napulot nila. Tada! Nakapulot silang starfish. Tapos meron din, marami pang maliliit na crablets. Dahil hindi ako nakasama. Naglalakad-lakad eh. Vlog pa tuloy. Hindi ko tuloy na vlog. And yun nga guys, siguro mga 6 o'clock na kasi. So, papahinga na kami. Matutulog kami saglit. Mamaya, di na rin ako siguro makapag-vlog. Kasi gabi na, tsaka madilim, di ba? Bukas na ulit. Good night.
Tomorrow.
And yun nga, pumunta tayo ng Batangas para mag-swimming and naging masaya naman tayo, no? So hanggang dito na lang yung vlog and salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hanggang dito na lang. See you next vlog. Bye guys!